If you want to get Firefox web apps on Windows, this quick guide will walk you through the exact setup in Firefox and show you how to check whether the feature is available on your computer. This is a handy trick if you want a more app-like experience for supported websites right from your browser and without needing extra software. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Make sure you're using the browser normally and that it's updated if possible, since experimental features can depend on the version you have installed. Once Firefox is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the window. Now type about config and press enter. This takes you to Firefox's advanced configuration page, where hidden preferences can be changed manually. When you get there, Firefox may display a warning message letting you know that these settings are advanced and can affect browser behavior. If that warning appears, click Accept the risk and continue to proceed. Once you're inside the configuration page, you'll see a search box. In that search box, type Browser.TaskbarTabs.Enabled. This is the preference you need to check for Firefox web app or taskbar tab support. After typing it in, Firefox will show you the matching setting. If the value is set to false, click the toggle button, which looks like a switch or double arrow icon, to change it to true. If it's already set to true, then that part is already enabled and you don't need to do anything else. This step is important because it turns on the feature that allows Firefox to handle supported web app style behavior on Windows. Now keep in mind that this is still an experimental feature, so it may not work with every website. That means not all sites will offer the same installation or pinning option. Some websites may support it, while others may not show anything at all. So if you don't see the feature on a specific site, that does not necessarily mean you did anything wrong. It usually just means the site does not support Firefox web app integration yet. Next, open a website that supports Firefox's web app functionality. If the site supports the feature, look for an install, pin, or app-like prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions if it appears. Firefox can then create a separate app-style experience for that supported website, making it feel a little more like a standalone app rather than just a regular browser tab. And that's the basic process for getting Firefox web apps on Windows. The key part is enabling the advanced preference, then visiting a supported site to see whether the web app option is available. Since this is still experimental, your results may vary depending on the website and your Firefox version, but this is the right place to start. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.